This is Skylord. Skylord, no, let's be friends. Fuck it, I'm gonna kill you, Skylord.
Be aware of your location, contenders. Sectors are starting to collapse.
I'm dead for the slammer. Oh, he didn't see me, bro. My cheeks. My cheeks got so tight right there.
Órale, dude.
Get that scope work. GG's, baby.
Oh, come on. Oh my god, did him? Oh, he really did take my kill. I'm so mad. Oh my god. Are you actually kidding me right now? Actually freaking kidding me right now? What is wrong with my aim right now, man? I missed like every shot. Oh, he's not insane. He just got a hit with a max shot sniper.
¿Cómo estás, güey?
You're hot on me. Got his ass.
Ooh, there we go. Oh, I'm gonna die. Solo. I'm like... Yeah.
I had a fucking one-shot, man.
He's invisible behind you. Don't think you're...
God damn it. I had the fucking guy one-shot, man.
People under me.
I'm about to just get off.
Gotta fix this. Almost done.
5 squads remain.
The street.
Reload.
What? How does that not do damage in there?
Yo, can't hit the
Inside this building? Camoed?
The hell, dude? My God!
On the roof, I'm
Fuck.
filming it right now.
little help, friend. Little help, friend.
Fuck this fucking game.
Is he actually camoed right here?
Reloading.
A sector has collapsed.
Dad said you won't kill him, bro. Man, what? What? I'll kill him with the shades on.
Get ready. Pods are about to launch. Plan your approach, contenders.
You give me the no finger.
Eliminate all to treat the disease.
You gave me the fryer, bro. Wasn't ready.
Worry about those
Adrian dropping the link on me. Hold on. No, dude.
Not in my house.
GG's, bro. Hilarious, dude. Hilarious. Let me get you back for that one, bro. You gave me the fryer, bro.
¿Cómo estás, güey?
I missed. It's erased.
The viewers have chosen the reveal event.
I don't think that was the first guy I saw, though. Oh well. I'm gonna take that so no one else can have it.
Órale, dude.
Be aware of your location, contenders. Sectors
D-tap, D-tap, D-tap. Get my ass inside.
The reveal event is ending. 25 on the battle.
KP5 deleted! Delete all pros!
Sectors will soon be collapsing. The reveal event is ending. We have 25.
Ah, shit. GG's. GG's. Am I single? Yeah, I'm single.
Nice.
Almost done.
There's a gold slam.
Over here.
Hominators fighting.
That's you. Where'd he go, bro? Behind you.
Oh, homie's about to die. He's about to die. There they got him.
Behind you.
Yeah, he's fucking me up. Dead.
10 squads still fighting for dominance.
Got my memory. Restore me.
NRG ice,
Sector has
guys.
collapsed.
One floor up after that.
Back in it.
Really gonna red like that?
Oh my god, another one. Where'd he go, bro? Behind you.
How is he not dead? Where is he?
Oh, homie's about to die. He's about to die. There they got him.
Oh, no shot, bro.
Behind you.
Yeah, he's fucking me up. Dead.
10 squads still fighting for dominance.
Got my memory. Restore me.
NRG ice,
Sector has
guys.
collapsed. 10 squads to go.
Additionals was back in our game.
Got killed? Bruh.
The
Like
haste
who?
event is ending.
Oh my god, I'm actually dead.
More juice.
Man, these kids are lame and boring to fight. I think that's a Reggie now that I think about it. Back, I saw you just teleport. I know this
Oh
is
my
you.
god, I'm gonna get.
No, that's not you.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
God, this is for sure not you.
I almost got freaking dragonfly, dude.
¿Cómo estás, güey?
What?
Be alert, contenders. A sector has
Damn,
collapsed.
I think we're Ripper over Riot now, too. Where the fuck are you?
No, this guy's trolling. This is dragonfly. Oh, it's Scarface.
You're over here shockwaving kids, bro? Whoa, is this you?
Sectors are about to collapse.
Hey, back up. Is
That
this
was
you?
you, bro?
Is this you?
That's
Yeah,
demon.
bro, I fucked you up. You ran away 1 HP, bro.
No, this isn't you.
Using a dragon
You're running away
fly.
1 HP. Yeah, that's not you. That was additionals. I was like, what? What do you mean?
So I'm looking at Reggie right now.
Okay. I ain't running. You're fucking running.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Melee fight.
That was funny.
That's in me.
Literally
Haley,
same.
you
I literally
back.
thought that was you. Fucking armor, invis, fucking shotgun, and the rebel skin.
Oh my.
Fucking smoked that additionals kid. No way did this kid get it. Yeah.
No, melee me. Oh, true? Okay.
A sector has collapsed.
Oh god, he's insane. I'm so bad at meleeing. Stop, stop. What the heck? Stop! Kill him! Kill him, Scarface! Kill him! Kill him! Melee this guy.
What?
We're fucking Reggie and I are sword fighting, and we're trying to.
Oh my god!
We're running from this guy and sword fighting each other.
Dang it, dude! I've had like 4 kills taken from me this game.
Where'd he go?
¿Cómo estás, güey?
Wait, what is this? What does this become?
No!
Oh shit, he's gonna get away. No way he's getting away.
Just got killed by some scrub dog.
I did, dude.
I don't have freaking mobility.
Congratulations, players. There are
Damn, bro. Yeah, solo is a lot more fun than that.
Guy pre-peeks this.
processing. Hard contact. No hit.
Ooh, good play.
Be alert, contenders.
Good play. Fair enough. That's gonna hit my sniper stop. I got worked.
A couple over here.
Melee, melee.
Yes, sir.
No way, he killed me too. Wow, he was hitting all. That guy's, yeah, he's crushing it.
Oh, that.
There's people here too.
Okay, I'm just gonna use. Yeah, right here. On me. Yes, he's a sniper. Oh my god, they're both here.
I'm dumb
Three
dead.
of them here. Three in this building.
He has a fully upgraded one, bro. He's like 2 bars. If you kill him, you can take his fucking riot and then just win the game.